Starting a smart home in college doesn't have to drain your wallet. With a few key devices, you can automate your space without breaking the bank. Let's build your budget-friendly smart home starter kit. First up, smart lighting. These bulbs are affordable, easy to install, and let you control lights with your phone or voice. No wiring required, just screw them in and go. Next, a smart plug. Plug in any lamp or appliance, and you can turn it on/off remotely or set schedules. Perfect for saving energy and avoiding late-night dorm room light blunders. A compact smart speaker is a must-have. It plays music, sets alarms, and can even control other smart devices. Look for one with good sound for the price. Your dorm room will thank you. For security, a budget-friendly indoor camera lets you check in on your room from anywhere. Motion alerts and night vision mean you'll always know what's happening, even when you're not there. Finally, a smart thermostat helps you save on heating and cooling. Some models learn your schedule and adjust automatically, so you're never wasting energy or money.